Hi friends, welcome to the RBWM paper analysis for today. I think it was a good paper. I've heard whatever we had taken in the class as well as in the case study. There was a credit card case study. I've heard all of you have told that there was a credit card case study, isn't it? Yeah. So how was it? Just first tell me everyone, how was it? Yeah. First everyone tell me how was it? How was the paper? Oh, congrats. Cleared? Good, good, good. Congrats, congrats. There was a case study on credit card also, no? Credit card case study was there. Then it was, yeah. What about others? What about others? Yes. Yeah. Just come up with the questions. And firstly, give me the marks, everyone. Those who have joined, kindly give me the marks. Yeah. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, morning, everyone. And those who are yet to give the paper, I'll cover the maximum questions which were asked. Okay. Maximum questions. Let's move on. See here, first question which I've got is this. First question which was there, which I've got it from others, is basically this branch profitability. Usually they was asked, right? Branch profitability. Let me mark it over here. Branch profitability was asked. Branch profitability. Hold on. So it was branch profitability. Many questions were there, it seems, and you guys also. Branch profitability. So basically, remember, we have done this topic in our classes also. And important part which I'll tell you about this is the main questions which are asked are of gross profit, operating profit. See this, I'll write it over here. Okay. GP, gross profit. GP ratio they might ask, or gross profit they might ask. So GP ratio or gross profit, anything. So gross profit means what? It in the morning shift it was asked, what is the gross profit? So total sales, whatever is the sales, okay? Sales minus, see this, gross profit minus COGS, cost of goods sold. There was one case study also, it seems. Cost of goods sold was given and sales were given. So just minus this, you'll get the gross profit. Okay? It's that simple. So minus and you get it. Hold on. Hi, hi, hi. Others, what about? First, everyone just give me the marks of yours. Those who have got the marks, kindly give it now. Okay, marks, those earlier batch, and start posting the questions also. Okay, start posting the questions. So first one was on gross profit. There was a case study on this. Operating profit. That's why I say, see, in the classes we have done all these things. Operating profit was one of the other questions. Operating profit. Okay, there was one other question on operating profit. Okay, what is operating profit? That was asked. So basically, what is operating profit? Gross profit minus GP minus operating cost. Okay, operating cost equals to gross profit. Operating profit. Okay, so gross profit minus operating cost, it comes to operating profit. Okay, then there is one more part. Suppose if you want, there was net profit is asked many times. In fact, this time also they had asked you two things only, I think so, or it was there. Let me see the questions were there or not. Everyone, was a net profit question asked in the batch for 8:30 to this 10:30? Net profit question, was it asked? Yeah, was it asked, everyone? Yes, yeah. Correct. It was. See here, net profit was there. Okay, net profit was there. So net profit means what? You can just subtract this operating profit, whatever operating profit you got. Just subtract this interest and taxes. Interest and taxes. Subtract that, you'll get the net profit over here. So remember, this was one case study which was asked. Okay. Then leverage ratio was asked. Leverage ratio. Leverage. What is leverage? Leverage ratio. Okay, leverage ratio was asked. Anyone knows what is leverage ratio? Did you type it? Everyone? Did you get it? Yeah. Okay, REIT was asked. Oh, thanks. Shreya, you were there in the class, na? Shreya, we had just covered that REIT part, right? REIT, real estate, right? Real estate infrastructure. We had covered that, right? Yeah. So you might have got it very easy, Shreya. Okay. How was the marks? How are the marks over here? How many parties to NEFT? So simple question, isn't it? How many parties are there to NEFT? How many parties to NEFT? How many parties are there to NEFT? Means who all are the banks? I had shown you that image. Remember this? I had shown you that image. That sending bank, then sending banks, their team at the HO level, then it is sent to the NPCI's level, then it is sent to that remitting other bank, right? That sequence which was there. How many parties to NEFT? How many parties means it's not parties actually, it's the banking system. How many banks are there in the overall banking systems are there in this NEFT? We had shown you that image. Remember everyone? That image? Okay. So what is leverage ratio? Everyone, what is leverage ratio? It is bank assets upon total capital, bank's capital. Okay. Bank assets. This was asked here. Branch profitability was asked usually upon this bank assets, right? Bank assets upon capital. Bank's capital, you can use it. Capital. Okay. Bank's asset upon bank's capital, that is leverage ratio. Okay. Then ROE was asked, return on equity. Then return on equity, I had given you this formula earlier. ROE. Okay. There are two formulae to ROE. Two formulae. Always remember. One is this ROA into leverage ratio. Into leverage. Okay. Leverage. So generally this is used. Okay, but basically you can also use it this way, that returns, whatever are my returns or net profit or profit as such, returns upon capital. You can directly use this also. There are two formulas to ROE always. Returns into leverage or returns upon capital. Both are there. Yeah. So how was your paper, Shreya? Others also? Just post the marks, everyone. Post the marks. How are the marks? Everyone, just post the marks. Yes? Yeah. And those who are watching for the new this coming up exam, this now this other batch might have started by now, or it is yet to start. Yeah. So those who are watching for the remaining exams, kindly note these questions. Okay. So one question was on this ROE. Remember this formula I have given. Okay. Next question was on, let me see. It was on SURFACE Act also? Was there any question on SURFACE Act? Everyone? SURFACE. Was there any question on SURFACE Act, credit card? Credit card, I think so they had asked you many questions. Credit card. Right? Credit card, there were many questions. Everyone, yes. Credit card. Okay, once again, best of luck to the new batch. Okay, new batch, best of luck. Credit card. Credit card, remember we had taken one case study. Go through that case study. Credit card. Okay, go through that case study which we had taken. Okay, what they ask you is APR. Generally they ask you APR. Okay, APR means this rate, annualized percentage rate. So what is APR? Whatever is a monthly rate, monthly multiplied by 12. Just do that. Monthly multiplied by 12. Whatever is that is your monthly rate. Okay. Then sometimes they ask you effective rate. Effective. Now this in the morning batch they had not asked effective rate, but effective rate if it is asked, then use the formula 1 plus I. This I had given you na, 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. That becomes the effective rate. Okay. So use that formula also. Okay. Effective rate was might be asked here. In the morning batch it was asked for APR. So in the afternoon batches, they might ask you for effective rate also. Okay. Then SURFACE Act. What was the case study on SURFACE Act? Somebody is giving me SURFACE Act was case study was there. So what was it? Yeah. How many parties to credit card? Oh, good, good. My exam done. Oh, Akshata, congrats. Congrats, Akshata. Yeah. Congrats. Your exam done. So clear, all clear now. Now don't wait, join CAIIB immediately, because the more you give the time, the difficult it becomes. Okay, so join CAIIB immediately. Those who have cleared JAIIB, join CAIIB immediately, guys. Okay, immediately join it. Chalo, yeah. Let's move on to the questions. More questions now. Credit card done. Credit card, this was a case study asked, means APR they have asked. Then in credit card, the case study, they'll ask you the dates. Always remember the dates. Dates are asked. Dates. Okay. Always the charging is done from the billing date. Whatever is the billing date, bill. Plus you get roughly 20 days free. 20 days. Okay. 20 days free. And then you have to do the payment date. Okay. And if you pay on this date, there is no interest. But if you miss out this date, if you pay on the next day, if you miss this out, then the interest is charged from this billing date. Complete interest is charged in that case. Remember this. Okay. So complete interest is charged in that case. Okay. Then let me go through this. Akshata, congrats. Exam done. Okay, what was the question on any SURFACE Act? I have just discussed SURFACE. SURFACE Act, what was the case study? SURFACE Act, there was a case study it seems. What was the case study on SURFACE Act? Any idea, anything you remember? SURFACE Act, what did they ask you? Means it was related to what, roughly? Roughly any idea? Anything given in SURFACE Act? Anything you remember? Oh, yeah. Anything, yes? SURFACE. Congrats. Shreya, you have also cleared? Congrats. Congrats everyone. Okay, yeah. Chalo, move on. REIT, done, this done. REIT question was there, huh? Everyone. Real estate infra. Okay, infra, this, there's a separate fund. Okay. Now, education loan, there was one question. Education loan. Okay. Education loan, they had asked you the limits. Limits in the sense, here, I'll give you for those who are watching and those who have to go for the exam, up to 4 lakhs. Up to 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. Okay. No, nothing actually. No collateral, no guarantee, nothing. Okay. Nothing. I'll just write it nothing. Okay. 4 to 7.5 lakhs. Guarantee. Okay. Guarantee. Personal guarantee. Now there is a this sub clause to this. If this education loan is guaranteed from government, if government guarantee is there, then nothing needed again. Okay, if government guarantee is there, then nothing needed. Again, nothing needed. Okay. And after 7.5 lakhs, 7.5 lakhs, after 7.5, okay, after that, then you need this guarantee plus security, means tangible security we call it. Security also you can call it, security. Okay. So this is the basic logic of this education loan. Okay. And this question was asked, education loan question was asked. Okay. Yeah. Then what was the other question? Anyone? Margin was asked, margin. Okay. Margin question was asked. What is the margin? See here, margin depends on bank to bank in education loan. Margin is bank to bank. What is the margin? Generally, I'll give you, say this. Generally, it is 10%. Generally, okay, 10%. But as per your books, it is 5% for India, for Bharat. Now we call it Bharat, right? 5% for Bharat education and 15% for foreign. Okay, this was one question. Got it, everyone? Yeah. 49. Okay, that's okay. What is the other score? Vinod, what is the other score? Okay, everyone give me the scores now. Write the scores. What are your scores roughly? Now all your papers are over, right? So what are your scores? Everyone give me the scores, please. Here, education loan I have covered. In the meantime, I'll cover the remaining questions. Okay. So education loan was done. Now the next question was on Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat. Everyone, what is the Lok Adalat schemes here? The question asked over here is, up to what limit Lok Adalat? Up to what limit? So what is the limit of Lok Adalat? 20 lakhs. Remember, 20 lakhs. Okay, 20 lakhs. But if the Lok Adalat has been called by DRT, remember, there is a separate clause to this. Generally, the limit is 20 lakhs, but if it is called by DRT, then the limit, this 20 lakhs limit is not there. Then it can go for higher amount also. Only if it is called by DRT. Okay. So that was one question. And next one about Lok Adalat was, let me see. No, Lok Adalat, they had asked you one question on levels. Yeah, level was one question. Level of Lok Adalat, right? Levels of Lok Adalat was asked. Right? Levels. What are the levels of Lok Adalat? Levels. See here, there are 4 levels. I'll give you. There are 4 levels of Lok Adalat. Everyone remember this, huh? State, High Court, District and Taluka. Okay, state, I'll just write short form, huh? High Court, HC, District and Taluka. These are the 4 levels. State, High Court, District and Taluka. Okay. So these are the 4 levels of Lok Adalat. Yeah. Everyone post the marks by now. Everyone post the marks. Those who have cleared it and not cleared it also. Not to worry. Here, those who have cleared the exam, congrats to you. Join CAIIB immediately. But those who have not cleared it, not to worry. There's always a next time. You can definitely go back. Okay. So, yeah. Everyone. What are the other ones? Okay. Other questions, please. Everyone. Give me the questions more. More questions on this. There was one question on, there was some PPI limit asked, right? PPI. Anyone remembers what was that? This is a new question to you. PPI limit. PPI. This is from the latest version of RBI. This is not there in your books also. Prepaid instruments, these are. Prepaid payment instruments. Okay. These are prepaid payment instruments. Now there are 2 types of PPIs. Always remember. There are 2 types of PPIs. Okay. So there are 2 types of PPIs. One is PPI up to 10,000. No, both are up to 10,000. One is with cash loading and second is without cash loading. Here, both the PPIs are up to 10,000. There are 2 types of PPIs. Prepaid payment instrument. Okay, that is known as PPI. Who can issue this? Banks and NBFCs. Okay, banks and NBFCs. Who can borrow this? All the individuals also. So there are 2 types of PPIs up to 10,000. Both are up to 10,000 only. The 2 types are cash loading and non-cash loading. One is cash loading and second is non-cash loading. Non-cash loading. Okay, these are the 2 types of PPIs. Remember this. Okay, cash loading and non-cash loading. These are the 2 types of PPIs. Yeah. What about others? Other questions? Everyone? You give me the more so that others can benefit. Everyone, give me more questions so that others can benefit. Okay. So others can benefit. Everyone, give me the questions. Yeah, account aggregator. Okay, one question was there on account aggregator also. Account aggregator. What was the question on account aggregator? Account aggregator. Okay, what is account aggregator? We had done this during a batch. I had given you this account aggregator system. I told you that it is going to replace the CIBIL system in coming years. Okay, replace it. See here, account aggregator basically it is a linkage between. It's an organization or entity. It's a linkage. This linkage AA, I'll write it AA. This is a linkage between the service provider, means bank, you can call it bank, or NBFC. Okay. So it is a linkage between the bank, NBFC, and the second part is this customer. Means whatever customer does. Now look at this customer. Understand the difference between account aggregator. Okay, the difference between account aggregator and the CIBIL. CIBIL only tracks your loans. Account aggregator tracks many things. What? Whether you have done any mutual fund investment, MF. Whether you have done this income tax payment on time, income tax payment, ITR, that is also tracked. Okay. Whether you have any insurance investment, insurance. Whether you are paying your utility bills on time. My God, they are going to that level. Okay. Even SEBI has been attached to account aggregator now. Okay. Utility bills on time. So it covers you from 360 degrees. What is the general behavior of that customer? That is covered under account aggregator system. So it is a link between the customer and the NBFC or bank. So what does it do? It gives you the bank or the NBFC the right idea about the behavior of that customer, so that they can give the loan properly to this, whether to loan to this customer or not. That will be decided based on the account aggregator limits. Okay. Then there was an EMI problem also, it seems. EMI problem. Now EMI is very easy, isn't it? You might have done this in your AFM also, isn't it? So EMI is very easy, right? EMI problem was, let me come to the next slide. EMI. They had asked you some EMI for home loan or something, right? Home loan only they ask you, EMI. EMI problem. What is the EMI problem? See here, it is just the reverse of this present value problem formula. Okay. What is the present value formula? See this. Okay. I'll directly give the EMI formula now. Loan amount into, see this. What is the present value formula? It is 1 plus R raised to N in the numerator, right? Minus 1, right? Upon R. So this becomes reverse. R into 1 plus R raised to N, right? The whole upon 1 plus R raised to N minus 1. And this into the loan amount. This is the loan amount. Okay, loan. Remember, loan. This is the rate of interest. Now, if the R is to be done half yearly, half, then R will be divided by 2, N will be multiplied by 2. If it is done quarterly, R will be divided by 4, N will be multiplied by 4. Okay, and this is the EMI formula. So this is asked in every exam, it is asked generally. Okay. Yeah. What about others? Post the marks. Everyone kindly post the marks. Okay. EMI formula was asked. Remember, those who are going to give the exam, kindly go through this EMI formula. Okay. Yeah. It is just the present value formula which is reversed. Okay. That's the EMI formula. Okay. Yeah. Next one. One sec. Let me see. The next question was on that branch profitability. I have already covered. Okay, branch profitability was asked. I have already covered that. Next question asked was on, let me see, PPI limits I have covered. PPI limit was asked, so that I have already covered. What were the other questions, everyone? For the benefit of everyone else, kindly give the questions. Education loan, DRT, SURFACE Act. See, the SURFACE Act was asked one. What was the case study? Anyone tell me? Provisioning was asked. Provisioning. Okay, provisioning. Provisioning, everyone remembers this now? Provisioning for loans. Okay, we had taken this provisioning. Provisioning for loans. Any of those? Provisioning for loans. There are three categories. We are basically talking of NPA. Okay, substandard, doubtful. Okay, and this D1, D2. So what was it? What was the question actually? Provisioning for loans. Everyone remembers? Provisioning for loans. What was the question on provisioning for loans? Yes. Provisioning for loans. What was the question? Provisioning. Yes, provisioning. See here, I'll give you simple provisioning. Okay, substandards. Here it is always 15-25. Okay, 15% for secured, and 25% for unsecured. Always remember, so for substandard. Then doubtful, we have two categories, doubtful 1 and doubtful 2. Okay, D1 is always, remember like this, 25% for secured, 25% for secured, and any doubtful is 100%, 100% for unsecured, any doubtful, unsecured. Similarly, D2, 40% for secured and 100% for unsecured. Here, any doubtful, unsecured is 100%. Remember this. And last one is that loss, or D3, some banks call it loss also. D3 also, loss also, anything. Yeah? It means 100, 100. Both are 100. 100 and 100. Okay. For secured as well as unsecured. Secured and unsecured. There was one question on this also. Okay. Yeah. Kindly write the marks, everyone. Congrats, everyone, those who have cleared it. Everyone, congrats, those who have cleared it. Okay. Congrats, everyone, those who have cleared it. Chalo. Let's move on. So next was what? Next one was provisioning was done. Then it was, next is insurance. Who can do? Yeah, there was one question on account aggregator. They had asked you, can account aggregator do any other business? Yes, that was one question. Account aggregator can do any other business. That was the question. So remember, it can't do any other financial business. Here, financial business is not allowed. Financial business not allowed. But other business that guy can do, okay, not allowed. See here, if somebody is an account aggregator, he can't, the company can't start any banking, NBFC or any loan company, anything. No, financial not allowed. Other than financial, if that person wants to do some construction, FMCG, that can do, that person can definitely do, okay, or that company can definitely do. So that was one question. Who can do and CC, who can do DRT? Okay. Banking, ombudsman. Ombudsman was one question. One question was on ombudsman. Everyone, what was the question on ombudsman? I think so. Limit was the question. Means after how many days? After how many days can I go to ombudsman? Okay, how many days? So after how many days can I go to ombudsman? If the bank doesn't revert within 30 days, 30 days. If they don't revert, or the answer which they give is not satisfactory. The answer which they give is not satisfactory. In that case, I can go to ombudsman. Okay? Correct. Everyone just follow these classes. Again, I'll tell you. Those who have cleared it, congrats. Kindly join our CAIIB class immediately. Okay? Those who have cleared it, congrats. Kindly join our CAIIB classes immediately. And those who have not cleared it, don't worry, you can join the batch. Okay? New batch for May 24. See here, I have seen this, almost all the questions were done in our classes, in the revision classes which were there. In the revision classes, all these questions, I had taken a separate credit card case study. I had remembered this, okay? So the same case study was asked. Same case study. Remember, same case study was asked today. So that's why I'm saying join it immediately. Okay, everyone. Everyone post the questions, more questions on this. Everyone post the questions. Hi, post the questions, everyone. Everyone. Follow this. Yeah. So what was next? Everyone, what was next? Lok Adalat was one question. Lok Adalat I have already covered. Lok Adalat question I have covered. So next question was on anyone? One sec. Ombudsman I have covered. PPI limit I have given. Okay. Yeah. Kindly join the Mahapack also. Though the Mahapack, everyone should join, okay? Everyone should join the Mahapack for your JAIIB. And if you have cleared JAIIB, join the CAIIB. Okay? Definitely Vinod. Okay, congrats. How many of you have cleared it? Just type yes in the comment section. If you have, how many of you have cleared the exam? Type yes in the comment section. How many of you have cleared the exam? Type yes. Oh, congrats. Rishabh, congrats. 58 marks. Good. Very good. 58 marks. Good, yeah. Very good. Others. What about others? Post the marks. Post the marks, everyone. And those who are will be going to the paper, kindly watch this analysis. Okay. I've covered major questions and answers also in this. Okay. Major questions as well as answers. Both are covered in this. So let me move on. So what was the next question? Anything else is remaining? Let me see. RBWM, yes. I've covered almost all these. Branch profitability is asked. Here, paper is easy for those who have joined the classes. Remember, in classes we have taken a major chapter of branch profitability, module A. Okay, all the details I had given you the formulae, and all of you might have experienced this. Yeah, all of you might have experienced this, right? That the questions are basically from those notes which we have done, or okay, how many of you had followed those notes which I had given? Notes in the classes. Book notes I had given here. Or for those who didn't join the classes, kindly note, I had given you book notes, complete book notes brought to the shortest level. Then I had given you master PDF, complete all your details of the this definitions, one-liner questions, and third one was anyone? Yes, book notes was there, and then question bank was given. Question bank. Okay, how many of you have followed this? This question bank, book notes, okay, and this master PDF. It was helpful to you, everyone? It was helpful, yes. How many of you? Yeah, I am seeing the answers. Yeah. How many of you have followed those book notes, question bank, as well as this last one was this master PDF? Kindly, okay. And those who are going to the exam, remember, kindly follow that master PDF at least now. If you are having 1 or 2 hours more, if you are in the afternoon batch, later evening batch, then you can go through this master PDF. Okay, because many questions were asked on simple theory, statement based. Statement based, many questions were there. Statement based means what? That's the use of that master PDF. Okay, statement based. Statement based. Okay, so that's why I say this master PDF which I had shared in the exam, in the classes. Okay, master PDF, okay, which I had shared in the classes is of huge importance to you. Okay, yeah, congrats once again, Rishabh. Others, what are kindly post the marks, everyone. Kindly post the marks, everyone. Others, kindly post the marks. Okay. And those who are in the evening batch, best of luck to you all. I will tell you, everyone, if you have cleared it, immediately join this immediately join this CAIIB. Okay. Immediately join CAIIB. Here, registration and all you can do it later for the exam. Okay, registration and all you can do it later, but I would suggest you to join the Adda 24/7 classes right now. Here, first you start clearing, first you start studying, and then registration is a later part. Okay, you can definitely go through it later. Registration and IIBF registration is simple. So first join the classes, I'll tell you. Okay. And how to join that? Many of you might be knowing this by now. Okay, go to Adda 24/7. Say this. Go to Adda 24/7 over here. Okay, over here. Then simple. Go to Adda 24/7. After that, go to JAIIB and CAIIB. Say the JAIIB and CAIIB. Now those who have cleared JAIIB, kindly click on CAIIB. And those who are in JAIIB, for the next year, kindly click on this May 24. Okay, go through it. Right now discounts are going on, huge discounts are going on. Okay, 80% off is going on right now. See here, so many batches are there. JAIIB comprehensive batch, then JAIIB this circulars batch, everything is there. Okay, so join this. And for CAIIB also, you have all the things now for CAIIB. Those who have cleared JAIIB, kindly go for CAIIB immediately, because 6 months CAIIB is a huge period, huge this study thing. Okay, so it will be require more time than the JAIIB. Okay, so first, before going, everyone give me the how many of you have cleared this? Give me that first. Yeah, how many of you just type in the comment section your marks? Everyone type in the comment section your marks. Yeah, Rishabh, Akshata, Shreya. Okay, congrats everyone, congrats. Yeah, so now I'll take the leave. Okay, those who are studying for the evening batch, kindly go through this analysis and it will be useful to you. Okay, chalo bye.